Tesla Motors has been a trailblazer in the electric car market for years. From its humble origins, building electric roadsters on modified Lotus chassis, Tesla has become a force to be reckoned with. Now, a household name Tesla makes up a significant portion of the EV market worldwide. Its supercharger network spans continents, and its CEO Elon Musk is an international celebrity. But what is the heart here? The cars. Ignoring the hype and the tweets, cars are the reason Tesla exists and the biggest thing to get excited about. With a range of 3 models and development up to 3 more, Tesla vehicles appear to be here to stay. There are plenty of complaining comments about Tesla's build quality, but there is also much to love about the cars. While the price of entry is relatively high, sales have been brisk nonetheless. And if you have the cash, here are 10 reasons why to buy Tesla. And the reason number 1 is no gasoline. At the heart of a Tesla is the electric drivetrain. It is a reason company exists. For years, people have tried to figure out how to get rid of gasoline power, and nobody did it with much success until Tesla came along. No gas means no exhaust, and that makes driving a Tesla significantly better for the environment than driving a vehicle with an internal combustion engine. This is particularly relevant when Tesla is charged by power from a renewable source, such as solar or wind. Also, Clean Technica found significant savings in fuel alone. In one particular scenario, 13 years of fuel usage cost about $52,000, while a Tesla driving a similar amount of miles only ran up $3,000 of electricity. Not only is that significant savings in raw numbers, but forever passing gas stations is a huge bonus. And the reason number 2, extreme torque. Electric drivetrains are inherently different from internal combustion in the way they produce and deliver power. There are few moving parts, and the buildup of power is nearly instant. Gas and diesel engines generate torque on a curve, staying low and increasing with RPM. Electric motors create torque as quickly as electricity can energize the magnets that cause rotational power. Tesla put a lot of research into the development of its batteries and motors in order to offer drivetrains that are durable and efficient. The added bonus is that these motors are also powerful. In its most extreme application, the Model S Plaid torque output is more than 1000 pound-feet, while the base Model 3 produces a generous 302 pound-feet with acceleration to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds, according to Drive Canada. While its range of cars is ostensibly family haulers, Tesla builds a fast and fun option to do your family hauling. And the reason number 3 is innovative tech. A lot of people describe Tesla Motors as a technology company more than an automaker, and they are not wrong. While the actual determination of this is up to some debate, Clean Technica argues the high number of features relying on software and tech devices demonstrates its focus on tech as the driving force behind Tesla. The amount of computational power in one of its vehicles is impressive. Furthermore, the tech found in its cars has been on the cutting edge for years. Harvard Business Review argue that the innovation of the company is what drives it to success and keeps it relevant within the market. Tesla vehicles were some of the first to use large touchscreens for the bulk of the car's functions and help redefine how we interact with our vehicles. The street lays out a timeline of the company, including many of its novel technologies introduced. Tesla also pioneered self-driving and introduced an idea of having a nationwide charging network. The engineering that manages the battery is also complex and highly advanced, and Tesla is among the first makers to build an electric car with a range long enough to make it viable for most people's daily use. Regardless of how many features exist or how many you might use, the innovation and novel features of every Tesla make great arguments for why you should drive one. And if you like my video and if you like my energy level, click the subscribe button below. And I will try to improve my distance and the stability of camera in the next video. You can also ask a question or like the video. And the reason number 4 is direct sales. Tesla in many ways bucks the norm for car companies and tech companies alike. There is no other car quite like a Tesla, and other manufacturers are more likely to emulate Tesla features than vice versa. Also, most people dread the car buying experience, and going to the dealership usually rates somewhere above the DMV and maybe slightly below the dentist. Tesla has tried its best to cut these seemingly useless middlemen out of the process. Every Tesla vehicle is sold directly to the consumer. According to the manufacturer, new vehicles are either delivered to the consumer at a delivery center or directly to the home. This gives Tesla full control of the experience and eliminates the possibility of unscrupulous dealers taking advantage of its customers. However, many states have laws that protect franchise dealers, long entrenched in state politics, and prohibit sales of Tesla vehicles to residents in some states, according to Electrac. And the rest of the reasons why to buy a Tesla are charging network, mature technology, minimal maintenance, styling, safety, and finally, Teslas are just plain fun. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment or like. Goodbye.